G'day guys, yeah it's me, Grumpy Trev, back with another 5-minute buy-to-bin review. Something different, I've got a set of goggles to do. Now, if you've seen me do reviews on box goggles, most of you probably think it's not going to be pretty, but I have seen these before. The guys from FXT Technology did send me a set. These are the Viper goggles, so we're going to whack them on the bench, have a quick review, and then take them out in the field. Right, comes with a really great solid case. We'll have a look inside. Okay, what you see on the bench is what you get inside it. You get obviously the goggles, the cups for your eyes, screen, instructions, bag of cables. What we'll do now, we'll plug this thing in or put it together. Pretty straightforward to put together. Just clip the front, the screen goes in. Grab your eye cups, they just go underneath. Just slide in very easily. Like so. And that's it, and we're ready to go just about. Okay, all we need to get going is whack a couple of antennas on it. Obviously something with decent diversity. We'll put a triple feed patch on there and a pagoda. We just plug it in under here with the USB plug and we're ready to go. Pretty neat, these things. They've got nice little clips under there for your cables or hook up so your wires are out of the way. To turn this on, hold the button in for a couple of seconds and you'll see it turn on. Simple as that. It's not rocket science to use. To use the DVR, just put a SD card in there, or micro SD card, press the button, comes on inside, tells you it's recording. Easy as that. Anyway, what we'll do, we'll take it out in the field and I'll give you my impressions. Oh, is it on? Is my head on?
No, it's your head's too big, Trevor. Right. It's not fitting.
Alright guys, Grumpy Trev back again. Guys, today we've got the FXT Viper goggles. Now look, these, I was so impressed with these when I did a review with Stu on these. I actually asked the guys, would they send me a set, because a lot of guys are asking us about wearing them with glasses and all that sort of stuff. Now, I don't wear glasses when I fly on normal goggles. These I can actually put on and see it fairly clearly without glasses, but it is clear as crystal with glasses. So what I'm going to do today, we're going to test the range on this thing and how good they fit with goggles, with glasses on your head, with goggles on. That makes sense?
No, but it'll do. They'll get it.
Righto. Anyone that wears glasses that can't use normal goggles and they want to be able to put glasses on under their goggles, I highly recommend these. They are really good and they're comfortable. Look, there's a little bit of light leakage, but you don't really notice it. I only notice it because I'm looking for it, but nice clear screen. What can I say? I mean, if you've seen the videos I've done with box goggles before, you know I really hate them, and I could fly with these all day. The price on these, I think they're around 150 bucks US, which is probably about 190 as Aussie. I'll leave the details in the link below if you're interested in getting a set of these. As I said, I can highly recommend these. They are really, really good, especially for if you want to wear glasses under them. And they're clear and comfortable. What can I say? I can't believe I'm saying this. I'm actually talking about a set of box goggles that's good. I never thought I'd hear myself say it. Anyway, that's with glasses on. Got them off. FXT Vipers, highly recommend them. And that's for someone that hates box goggles, so they are really good. Thanks guys.